Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Raya and today we're gonna do a natural everyday makeup look. This is the Celatec Facial Moisturizer. This is very hydrating and cheap. You can find this in Watson stores. The texture is very watery and it absorbs directly to your face. Also use this to moisturize your neck. Then we have the Fairy Skin SPF 50 PA++ plus sunscreen. I use this underneath my makeup and so far I haven't noticed any white cast. Of course, we use this to block the UVA UVB rays that is harmful for your skin. So we also have to use this on the neck. This is the Vice Blurfection Skin Tint in the shade M30, I think. Binibini. I love this skin tint because it is one of those skin tints that really matches my face and skin tone very well. I use a brush to blend this product out because a sponge will just soak the product and you will lose the coverage. This gives you a very natural finish, very skin-like, true to its name, and I love how this is not super scented so it doesn't break my skin out. Perfect for everyday errands or for your everyday use. This is the same Cover Perfection Pot Concealer in the shade 02, just to cover my dark circles. This is the Squad Happy Pot Multi-Use Cream Tint. I use this as a blush. It reminds me of the Sunny Space Air Blush in the shade Moon, but this is much cheaper and accessible, especially for vegetarians or people with a budget. I purchased this from Shopee. It's very creamy and tinted. Also using that on my eyes to give a monochromatic look. This is the Bare & Bliss Compact Powder in the shade 02. I love and adore this powder so much. It just mattifies your face without giving you that cakey powdery look, and it's very lightweight, long lasting. It preserves your makeup, make it last all day. This is in the shade Gray Brown, the Etude Drawing Eyebrow Pencil. Yes, finally I'm starting a new brow pencil. It's also very timely because I changed my hair color yet again. I know, I'm impatient. But if you know, you know. So you just gotta go with the flow. Use light strokes whenever you put on your brows or draw on your brows because we don't want that blocky Sharpie eyebrows that is very much popular during 2016. Nope, we are all about that feathery look. Using the eyeshadow in Ridge from my Natasha Denona bronze palette just to contour my crease. Put a little something to make it look more awake. And of course, blend it out with a crease brush. This is still the same shade Ridge, and I'm putting that on the lower area. Line Tattoo Pencil from Maybelline. This is an eyeliner. I use this to tightline my eyes, make it look more dramatic. And then I extend the wing, connect it to the tight line. curling my lashes using the Innisfree curler. I really like this curler because it hugs the contour or shape of my eyes so it doesn't pinch my eyelids unnecessarily. And look at that curl! Vice Cosmetics and Ann Clot Super Mega Ultra Curl Mascara. That is a long name. Anyway, I'm wiping the excess off on the tub and then going straight right in. This volumizes and lengthens my lashes, and it's waterproof also, so you won't worry, and by the end of the day you won't have any panda eyes. Gloss Beauty lipstick in the shade of Beauty because I really want that baby pink lipstick shade, and this is not the Nicki Minaj type of lipstick. It's perfect for morena skin tones. Lux Organics Shine Free Ultra Fine Mist to set the face, of course. Taking down the clip and revealing my bangs. Yes, I still have bangs, guys. And this is the final look. Perfect for school, for work, for errands, for just any everyday occasion. And I hope that you like it. I'll see you. Bye!